Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uniswap app for swapping tokens on Ethereum step by step clearly. To begin, you will need to access your smartphone's app store. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android users, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Uniswap. Once you find the Uniswap app, tap on it to open its details page. Check the app description and user reviews to ensure it meets your needs. Next, locate the download or install button. Tap on this button to start downloading the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you will see the Uniswap app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. You may need to connect your Ethereum wallet. If you don't have an Ethereum wallet, you will need to create one. Popular options include MetaMask or Trust Wallet, both of which can be downloaded from the App Store. Once you have a wallet, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to Uniswap. Make sure your wallet has Ethereum for gas fees. Now you can start swapping tokens on the Uniswap app. Select the token you want to swap from the list. Choose the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount you want to trade. Review the transaction details carefully. When you're ready, confirm the swap. Wait for the confirmation, and your tokens will be swapped successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.